Hey there, Frontier, Michigan, and today we got a bit of a new video here. Going to be installing my PerryParts extended bump stops, and I am under the truck, wheel on. Truck is not jacked up, and we're going to be replacing the bump stop here. The good thing with these PerryParts, they simply press into the OEM bump stop cup. And what you're going to do to take them out is you simply grab it and you pull at an angle, just like that. You just grab and pull. Comes right out. This is the OEM bump stop. We don't need that anymore. Now the fun part, we'll be getting the new ones in. You saw how easy that stock one came out? These press up in there, but these press very tight. So I'm going to recommend that you get it moist, wet it with something, Windex, soap, spit on that thing.
Give him that hawk tunes.
You know what I mean? And then you're going to have to set it up there and start working it in. It's very tight. And I'm kind of pressing it where I don't want it to go. Oh, that one went in easier. Just like that. That simple. No, literally no tools at all. Don't even have to jack it up. Don't have to take the wheel off. You press on. And that is how you install PerryParts bump stop on your D41 using the original OEM cups. I did grab a screwdriver, a flat tip, just in case I needed it. I actually needed it for the other side. But this one went in without a hitch. So, there you go. Thanks for watching, and catch you next time.